Would you like to know my secret weapon on how to find records for ancestors? Well, I'm gonna tell you if you stick around. Howdy, I'm Devin Noel Lee with Family History Fanatics, where we help you understand DNA, climb your family tree, and write your ancestors' stories along the way. We do this through videos like these on YouTube, through virtual conferences we coordinate, as well as books available on Amazon. Check out the links in the description. So you ready for the secret weapon? Yeah, it is the FamilySearch Wiki. Yep, let's go check it out. I am asked at conferences and in emails all of the time, where do I find records for, and the question continues. And most people say, I go on to FamilySearch and I go to the records tab and I type in my ancestor's name and I find some hints and they're not from my ancestor. How do I find the records that I need when they lived, where they lived? Well, guys, you gotta go over to the FamilySearch Wiki. So go up here to search, come down to Research Wiki, and then type in the place that you're looking for. So I had somebody who wanted to learn about records available in Austin County, Texas. Austin County, Texas genealogy, or I can look up the Austin, Texas Family History Center. And can you believe it? There's an Austin, Minnesota, Austin, Nevada, Austin, Texas, Oast Family History Center, lots of Austin. But I'm really trying to find Austin County, Texas genealogy. So now I'm on the FamilySearch Wiki. And there is a lot of content that is on this page, which is why there's these links so I can jump straight to what I'm looking for. So if I'm looking for Lutheran church records in Austin County, Texas, I can click on this link and jump there. And here we have Lutheran church records, the records of Trinity Lutheran Church, New Ulm in Evangelical Lutheran Church in America database. And you go over to archives.com. That's what's really great about this wiki, is it is not just information that's on FamilySearch, although you will find links to databases on FamilySearch, but it will also show you where other hidden gems are. Archives.com, the Catholic parishes in Texas, the Church Angel, TextGenWeb. There's lots and lots of resources here for you to go and find records. Now, is everything in the FamilySearch Wiki? No, and not all locations are created equal. So if we go back up here, and let's type in another location that I research in, Baden, Germany. So I have Baden-Württemberg, I have Baden online genealogy records, Baden history, lots of information to check out. I'm going to try the Württemberg, even though I'm not exactly sure that he was in that part. That's a complicated story. So here I have historical background, getting started. Notice how this page is different than that one in Austin, but there's lots of links to different things that I can go and investigate. So that's it. That's the secret weapon that most experienced genealogists use. They have a resource guide, a reference guide on FamilySearch to point them in the right direction for record collections that they want to research. So now you know.